The part of human body that is formed by fusion of ilium, caesium and pubis is called hip bone. The strongest bone of human body is thigh bone. The bone around the chest is called ribs. Not an axial bone, scapula. The spine is also called spinal cord. The lubricating fluid found between the two bones at a medial joint is called synovial fluid. Involuntary muscle are located in human body in heart. Tendon connects muscle to bones. Force generated by action of muscle is called muscular force. Voluntary muscles are contained in hand. Cartilage makes soft the surface of bone at the joint. The mineral that is essential of bones is called calcium. Are also called skeletal muscle, voluntary. The smallest muscle of human body is called stapedius. The muscle that helps the heart to pump blood to all part of body which requires rhythmic contraction and relaxation is called cardiac. Muscle is a connective tissue with minimal matrix. Stripped muscle fiber consists of many nuclei. The two bones that can be connected to each other by another connective tissue called ligaments. Vibration inside the ear is amplified by three bones, namely hammer, anvil and stirrup. Lactic acid causes pain in our muscles. The total number of bones in skeleton of average human is 206. Tendons have abundant white fibers. In human body, vertebrate is part of spinal cord. The longest bone in human body is called femur. Approximately 300 bones are there in child body at the time of birth. The part of muscular system that attach bone to bone is called ligaments. Not a human bone joint, macro. The longest bone found in human body is called thigh. The smallest bone of human body is called stirrup. The smallest bone of human body is called ears. And Trigia and indica is botanical name of neem. Omnicum tendiferum is scientific name of tulsi. Component cells are unique to angiosperm. Sugarcane is type of grass. Alphala is name of a grass. Pepper plant is vine. Mango tree is example of a autotroph. Scientific name of hibiscus is Hibiscus rosa sinensis. Scientific name of tachymon plant is Musa pudica. Scientific name of mango fruit mango is Mangifera indica. Scientific name of green pea is called Pisum sativum. Solanum tuberosum potato. Banyan tree Ficus benegalis. Tomato Solonium lycopersicum. Ficus benegalis banyan. Adjutita indica neem. Indica officinalis amla. Amona squamosa custard apple. Tarmandus indica tamarind. Piscidium guava guava. Amanus cosmos pineapple. Misca paradoxica banana. Manifera indica mango. Ectoca grandis lean tea. Punica grantum pomegranate.